Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create the trending photo with celebrity with hug effect. This viral AI photo where you and your favorite celebrity look like you're hugging in a realistic cinematic shot. And the best part, you can do it for free using Google Gemini. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your Google Gemini. You can open it through your browser or to the app like this, and then next just log in using your Google account, and once you're in just tap on create image, or you can also tap on tools icon and then create images. This is the same ways to activate the nano banana. Next, Google new AI feature that lets you edit or generate images instantly just by typing a prompt. Next, just upload your own photo, and then upload photo of your favorite celebrity. You can choose clear front-facing photos with good lighting, because it will help Gemini blend them more naturally later. Next, just tap on plus button and then gallery, and then just choose your photo. Like this. And then now comes the fun part. Let's type in a prompt. Before, I have already prepared one prompt like this. You can just copy it, like just screenshot it and then copy, and then just using Google Lens, copy the prompt and then paste to your prompt box. But feel free if you want to tweak it however you like, maybe like change the pose, lighting, or even the background styles. Just feel free to tweak it. Next, I want to copy my prompt, and then I will go back to Gemini, paste it, and when you're done, just tap on generate. And okay, like this, in just a few seconds, there it is, your celebrity hug AI photo is ready. It looks super real, like you actually took the picture together. Next, if you like it, you can save it and then just share it to your social media. And okay, that's how you can create your own celebrity hug effect photo using Gemini. It's completely free and no editing skills needed. Okay, if you enjoy this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.